Where'd you go?
Huh?
Where'd you go? Let me get your
So funny. She's just, every day it's like a new move now. She's like experimenting with it. That would hurt my throat.
I know. I'm surprised she's not like that.